Hey 大家好，我係 RickyKAZAF。好啦，要拍咩呢？就係因為我哋喺度等緊影相之際，咁就係街頭改造嘅泰國篇 model 仔啦，小鮮肉啦嚇。未睇就快啲 click 翻去我之前短片度睇。我發覺呢個小鮮肉咧都幾得意嘅。Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Tell everyone about your name.
Neil.
Neil.
My name is Neil.
Okay. You have a makeover today.
Yes, I make over today.
Okay. So can you tell what you usually during nighttime?
Nighttime, just go home and drink milk and sleep.
Oh, only go home, drink milk and sleep.
Yeah.
Okay. You go home every night early.
Actually, yes.
Okay. You don't go clubbing.
I don't like this.
You don't like.
Yes.
Okay. But your look seems like going clubbing. If I want to go clubbing in Thailand, any suggestion?
Oh yes.
Where?
Thong Lo,
Thong Lo,
Khao San Road,
Khao San Road,
RCA.
RCA.
3 perfect.
Okay. Why perfect?
Nice music. RCA is EDM music. Khao San Road is like a few international music, and Thong Lo is like a Thai pop music.
Thai pop music.
Yes.
Okay. So you always go?
No, I never been there.
You know. But why you can tell the difference?
I've been there for just one time.
Just one time. But you can tell 3 different kind of.
Yes, I could remember.
Oh, you remember it. Okay. Okay. Do you have dates?
Just one.
Just one.
Oh, just one for last year.
Just one for last year. And then now you're single.
Yes, I'm single.
Oh, okay. So you are waiting for the next plan.
I have no plan.
Okay. What kind of person do you prefer?
Prefer up to situation.
Okay. Okay. Why are you laughing? Where are we going tonight?
Tonight, go home. Just go home and drink milk and sleep.
Okay. With this look?
Yes, with this look.
With this look. Okay.
And how was you?
I'm thinking because I come to travel, that's why I want to go some experience.
Some club?
Maybe club. So I'm asking for your suggestions. Which one have more pretty girl or handsome boy?
Pretty girl, I think Khao San Road, Thong Lo.
Thong Lo.
But handsome boy is here. I'm kidding.
好嘢啊！真係咁鬼自大。唔係，sorry，我哋冇個自大自信。係你係咪唔明我講咩啊
What do you say?
？Okay， 好，真係唔明我講咩㗎啦。So, how's your experience for today?
Makeover? It's very good. It's different from the last me.
You still look handsome. Okay, wow. Tell me more about you.
Me?
Yes.
My name is Neil. I'm 21 years old. I'm live in Thailand. Let's find me. Let's find me. I don't know how to tell.
佢真係好嘢啊佢。You studying drama?
Not like drama, but acting and directing.
Acting and directing. So, which part of acting you like most?
Combat card, like a fighting.
Fighting.
Yes.
So you know how to fight?
No.
Oh,
But I have course for short course.
for what? What study?
How to slap the people by don't do it the real, but use the technique of camera and do like.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Can I try?
You can try.
Okay.
Don't do real.
Okay, let me try. 3, 2, 1.
No,
Don't
you,
clap. I'm the one.
you have to clap. 3, 2, 1.
You move too
Yeah,
slow.
better.
Sorry.
Okay.
I do. Okay. 3, 2, 1. I guess people would like to know about you and know about how we do your makeover. So please watch the video below and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you want to know more about him, please comment. I try to write his Instagram below. Okay. Well, see you next time. Bye.
Bye.